Hi, my name is Andreca and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will be doing a bubble braid ponytail tutorial. This bubble braid ponytail is going to be giving you goddess feels, goddess energy, okay? Princess Jazmine vibes, Nubian queen vibes, okay? So if you're interested in any of that, please just keep on watching. But just to let you know, this channel is all about all natural hair care, skincare, beauty tips, tricks, and hacks to make you look and feel beautiful. So if any of that interests you, please don't hesitate to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you're notified when all my next new videos go up. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay y'all, so I've kind of slicked back half of my hair, the back section. Now I'm combing this side out and I'm going to slick this section back as well. Wait, let me double check and make sure my mic is on. Yeah, my mic is on. So I'm about to do the same for this side. Just combing it through, working out all the kinks. My hair is freshly washed, so it's not completely dry right now. So most likely my hair is gonna be a bit wavy. But I'm just gonna try to get it as sleek and slicked back as I can. Because my hair, like I said, is freshly washed and it's not completely dry. So here we go. Then I'm gonna add some gel. And I'm gonna start to brush it through. Then I'm gonna add this to the rest of the hair that's been pulled back. And so far so good. Then I'm just gonna do the same on this side. Comb it through. As y'all can see here. Y'all, I'm really hoping this comes out cute because I've always wanted to do bubble braids or poodle puffs. Some people call them poodle puffs. But yeah, I'm finally actually getting down to it and I'm giving it a try. So I'm just really hoping it looks good on me. I took a poll on Instagram and I asked everyone, you know, should I do a ponytail or a head full of bubble braids? And most of y'all said ponytail, so I'm gonna do this style first. I do plan on doing the full head of bubble braids later, but I asked and y'all answered, so I'm gonna give y'all what y'all want. This is as sleek as I can get it, and I'm just gonna try to do my edges. I don't usually do edges, y'all, so I'm gonna sleek these back a bit and try to make it look decent. Okay, I had to go grab a scarf. Wait, what is this? Oh, come on. Okay, y'all, my hair's all wrapped up. Okay, so I'm going to plait my hair into 2 plaits, and then I'm going to wrap it up. Gonna secure it with a rubber band. And now to the fun part, the hair. So just to remind y'all that I will be using the Cuban Twist double strand style in 16-inch. This is what I'm using, and this is the hair right here. So instead of using a rubber band, I'm gonna pin it down with some bobby pins. Luckily I have them on hand. I have them right here because I wasn't sure if I wanted to use rubber bands or bobby pins, but yeah, I'm just gonna use bobby pins to pin it down. And instead of using rubber bands, I'm gonna use a hair tie. So I have my 2 pieces here. I'm gonna take it, bring it around, pull this one up, and then I'm going to place it on my braids. And there we have it. So it's back here on my braids. My braids are in the center. So now I just have to Alright, I'm going to take 2 rubber bands again and bring it around the hair to make the first bubble. That's the first bubble. Gonna take 2 more. And by the way, I set my rubber bands in a little bit of coconut oil. You can use whatever oil you want to use, whatever oil you prefer, but I use coconut oil just to lather the rubber bands up a bit so it wouldn't be too tight on the hair, and also so it wouldn't break and pop as easy. Alright, and I'm really just free balling at this point. I'm not sure how many bubbles I want to do, but I'm just gonna keep it going until I get to the end. And each time I'm adding rubber bands, I'm doubling up on the rubber bands. Then I'm going to tuck it. The end pieces, I'm going to just kind of wrap them up into like a ball and make a little ball on this end, and then I'll tuck the excess into the ponytail. Then I'll fluff it out a bit. And this is how it's looking so far. that I left 2 pieces out. I'm gonna go do my makeup and I'll be back for the final look. Hey y'all, so I am back and my hair should be fully dried. And I'm gonna take this down to see how this is looking. Alright. Okay, I also have I wrapped this as well when I was doing my makeup. So let me take this scarf off. And yeah. Alright, so next I'm going to take the piece that I left out, well, one of them, and wrap it around the bubble braid. Then I'm going to take the other one and do the exact same thing. Wrap it around the bubble braid. Then I'm going to secure it with a bobby pin. And there we have it, y'all. So let me show y'all how it's looking. Side angle. Fluff it out. If you need to, if you see anything that's poking out, just tuck those in. As you can tell on the end, I kind of have one poking out here, so I'll just kind of tuck it into the hair. Yeah, so there we have it. A bubble braid tutorial. What do y'all think? What do y'all think? What do y'all think? I actually love how it came out. I'm really feeling how it came out. And yeah, I'm gonna like touch it up a bit, like off camera. For the ones that keep poking out, I'm probably just gonna cut it off with some scissors. But yeah. Okay y'all, so I'm back and I decided to add a few accessories to this look to spice it up a bit. And y'all, I'm obsessed. Look at that. It's giving Nubian goddess. It's giving Princess Jazmine. You know what I mean? I'm just loving how it's looking. I'm gonna show it to y'all from the back. I actually added a string around this part as well. And yeah, just another fun thing that you can do to shake up your to jazz up your bubble braid. But yeah, I'm actually rocking my Saints jersey today because it's the first game of the season. So me and my fiance gonna watch the game in a few. But yeah, I'm loving how my hair turned out. If you're interested in trying this look, please let me know in the comment section. Do you like the way it turned out? I'm just loving it. I actually preferred working with this Cuban Twist hair as opposed to some, you know, braiding kinkaloin hair, because the hair gets tangled really easily. This hair was pretty easy to manage, so I like that. As far as this gel, I think it did a pretty good job like slicking everything down, but I don't like the container that it's in. I actually had to squeeze some of it out and put it in a jar so I can easily like dip my fingers into it and slick my hair back. So that's what I ended up having to do. So I don't like that bottle, but as far as it laying my hair down, I think it did a good job. But yeah, that's all I have for y'all today. This was the bubble braid ponytail tutorial. I hope y'all enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Before we go though, please don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you're notified whenever my next new videos go up. That's all I have for y'all today, so thank you and take care.